Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, the people are saying, regardless of any delays, there must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson and her family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video, and of course, drop your comment in the comment section. Now, in a shocking turn of events, the court appearance set for Noel Maitland has been delayed to Friday, August 12th. Reports indicate that the police constable was to make his first court appearance this morning, but something happened. Andre was at the court. May I make you go on? They will continue the reason. You can listen.
Banga court this morning. Noel, all Miss Sophia say, she just want to know which part her daughter body there. That is the only thing Miss Sophia want to know, which part her daughter body there. Come on, Miss students, share up the live. Banga courthouse this morning. And Mr. Townsend me want to see. And Mr. Townsend me want to see. Now me look out on them and streets there, you know, cause there be a criminal upon them. Where the people them they fi court. Banga courthouse. Blessings. Him over there. No must come a court today, so me want to see where I got. What a judgment, our Mr. Townsend. Them lock we out of the courthouse. Them say we can't go in a big our Mr. Townsend there. We the out here, that are the most important part. Them lock out you out of half a street police courthouse this morning. Nobody can go in. Well, no worry. Our Mr. Townsend there. Mr. Townsend, morning, where you there? Him gone in? Yeah. Where Mr. Townsend? Him gone in there, sir? Yeah. Who I'm driver? What kind of problem police are calling for this man? Morning, officer. What kind of... Me want to see Mr. Maitland.
You know better.
What me do wrong now?
Judge can't work in a night. You understand? I want matter to go on. Once nice, I will give them a car.
What up? Me wouldn't even bother take you on.
Yeah, so.
Me I go observe in a silence. At what time? Them a say them no want a nice. Them say them no want a nice at the courthouse, but me I observe silently. How were the people there? Yeah, we are going to cross the road, go make a silent protest. And when Mr. Town, me want to talk to you. You know, so Mr. Townsend will talk to me because him just need to tell him client to plead guilty and talk with the body there and just get him life sentence. You think you're a fool? Come here, my friend, come here. What a judgment at courthouse. We there at courthouse and them know where we going, so we have to the right to start talk. My friend, you did see when Noel are going? Going from 6 o'clock. But Noel, in our time the case are tried. Them can't 100. So we got them put in a Baltic. Who want to know what time Mr. Towns? 10 o'clock. But at 10 o'clock gone. What's that try?
No people talk to me. Tell me how you feel. Andre even said he would be making a request to speak to the attorney representing Mr. Maitland. He even said he had a message from Donna Lee's mother herself, Miss Lug, who is in hospital and probably was the only reason why she was not there herself. Now, the officers on the scene also reminded Andre that it being a court silence was needed and that he and the supporters there could not make any noise that would result in a disruption. We don't know if that was the case. But with this being a high profile case, the justice system have to prepare for that. Just like when any judicial settings overseas of a high profile nature, the tabloids are going there, different people are going there. This is just a situation. One thing for sure though, the people are saying that there must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson and her family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and your comment in the comment section. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now also making headlines, nation. The Jamaican policewoman who was detained after trying to smuggle 1,000 grams of banned substance into the States has been sentenced to nearly 3 years, just 33 months in a United States prison. Some are saying that maybe a lucrative deal was presented. Now think about it. When it comes to North American law enforcement, especially things that are what them they call transnational, things we happen in other countries, but then also facilitate activities taking place in North America or the United States, to be specific. Them normally want the bigger person. So them get this person can give information on somebody who is higher up than them. Because remember, as we know, she's a Jamaican, a 13-year veteran of law enforcement. And as we know, the substance that she was smuggling is not produced on her island of origin. It comes from somewhere else. And America's aim is always not just to get the people more, bring it in, but the people more package and send it off. Truth be told, the sad thing is that blood money doesn't seem to do no good for the communities or the countries at large. In some countries though, like in some parts of Mexico, some parts of Colombia, we see infrastructure developed, plazas built and luxury condos built and things of that nature. But for the majority of countries that are affected by the narcotics trade, and normally bloodshed and violence. And we have already seen where in rural parts of Jamaica, where dialing became a thing, where the youths in rural Jamaica decide say, them don't want to farm the land, the millions of dollars worth of land where them have. They might decide to say they want a faster road. And aside from the few luxury vehicles and the house them them build up on the same land where them could also farm on, would they even see them have a road if you go to some of these 3-story mansions? And there's no benefit to the wider community. As a matter of fact, people have said bloodshed has increased. In a certain parishes and certain districts, in certain parishes where violence or gun crime was virtually zero. Shots start firing them district, Country where party could have keep till daylight. Police are forward come knock it off now because the criminal element might be present at these events and they might clash with one another. Crime and violence has affected all facets of life and majority of these Caribbean islands. But talk to me. Tell me how you feel. The way North America stated this investigation initially, that after months of surveillance and things of that nature, even stating that the woman in question was either the leader or a high-ranking member of an international criminal organization. 33 months. With either, it still should serve as an example to other individuals that the criminal lifestyle is not the way to go. And the benefit that people feel like they're going to get from it is sometimes short-lived. Truthfully speaking, when they watch documentaries or shows or things of that nature and they hear about these kingpins, how them story end? Talk the truth. How does their story normally end? Now, quick recap. The trial date for Noel Maitland has been moved from Thursday to Friday. The policewoman who was arrested in America for smuggling narcotics has been sentenced to 33 months, almost 3 years. Now, if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, for tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, go to reason, join the discussion, the comment section up me 24/7. You never lock it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. And no one tell the reason again. Live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.